Starting a new website can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. We created a video series to help break down the process of building a website into several manageable steps. First, it's important to consider what kind of website you will be making. What will you be adding to your site? Most sites consist of images, text, videos, and call to action items like links or buttons. A good first step is to get your images optimized for the web. We recommend uploading images that are between 1500 and 2500 pixels wide and are less than 500 kilobytes in size. From there, organize your images into folders on your computer based on where they will be added to your site. Next, upload any videos that you have to YouTube, Vimeo, or Wistia for hosting. You can display those videos directly on your site using the URL. Once you have your assets organized, a good next step would be to get some design inspiration from other sites that you admire. Take a look at how some of your favorite sites are using spacing, image placement, fonts, and colors to draw visitors in. Additionally, you can visit Squarespace.com to view our dozens of professionally designed website examples to get some ideas flowing. Next comes the fun part. Get started with a free 14-day trial and begin experimenting. This is the perfect time to start learning how to use the platform and tools. Your site will be password protected until you're ready to go live, allowing you to perfect your design. After the 14 days are up, you can always reach out to our support team if you need more time, or you can upgrade to a paid subscription and share your work with the world. Additionally, you can hire a Squarespace expert to help assist you with your design through Squarespace Marketplace. These experts are among the most experienced and active members of our professional user community called Circle. You can work with these experts one-on-one to create a full site, optimize an existing site, set up your online store, and more. Sign up for Marketplace at squarespace.com/designer. Take a look at our documentation for next steps on getting started with Squarespace. And please let us know if you have any other questions. We're always here to help.